Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to enable dark mode on Play Store. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? If you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Play Store application that you have been to install it. Click on the Play Store, and next you can click the symbol in the upper of the corner. Click on. And next you can click settings. And how to enable dark mode, you just click the general and click the theme. That you can see the system of the theme here is system default. You also can click the dark and the light. If you want to have a light theme in the all of the time, you can click the light. If you want to apply or enable dark mode, you can click dark. Click on the dark here, and the dark mode is applied. It is a tutorial how to enable dark mode on Play Store. It will make you as a very comfortable to see it, because some people is done disturbing about the light mode, so you can choose it from the dark mode. Okay, thank you for the attention. I hope this video is useful for you, and bye.